Wait, hold position. Look at the return on Sector 4.
I see it. Adjusting the ROV. Ready the manipulator.
Secure the starboard clamp.
Starboard clamp secured. Powering up scanner array.
Secure the forward cable. Roger, securing forward cable. Crane operator, we are clear to lower.
We need more tension on line 4. Roger that, pulling now. Keep an eye on the stern clearance.
Hold the line steady, bring her down slow. Aft section clear, set her down now. This pitting is much deeper than the initial scans indicated. We need a full ultrasonic assessment immediately.
The structure.
Okay, zooming in on the starboard side anomaly. The AR scan confirms severe pitting and stress fractures indicated in red. We'll mark this for immediate review.
The original documentation suggests a different alloy for the keel.
Let's cross-reference that against the digital scan immediately.
This section here, it's definitely red zone.
Agreed, the ultrasound data confirms severe thinning.
I'm marking this adjacent plate for localized repair.
You need to isolate this midsection first before cutting the fuel lines.
But what about the sequence for the aft components?
We can streamline that process digitally.
All right, bring it up slowly, watch your clearance on the left. Easy now, easy. The spectrometer shows high levels of iron oxidation right here.
Okay, I have the sample secured. Let's check the next quadrant.
As you can see on the timeline, Phase 3 is fully mobilized by April.
What about the resource allocation for the structural reinforcements?
Make sure you get a macro on that junction point.
Captured. cross-referencing with the schematic now.
Right, that's the main power conduit, J205B. Insulation crumbling on contact, noted.
Flow rate steady at 20 liters per minute.
Acknowledged. Check pressure on line 3.
The weld integrity here is critical. We're seeing some unexpected microfractures near the seam. All right, keep the pressure steady. That looks good, nice and smooth. Right there, that's where the signal drops off.
I see it. Check the trace continuity around the resistor.
Check the alignment on sector 7.
Looks good. Torque set to 150.
Okay, proceed with the fluid.
The extractor is engaging now. What's the readout?
Waiting for the diagnostics to clear the sequence. We have a green light.
Imbalance detected at point 4. Applying the correction weight now. Readings stabilizing.
All right, pressure looks good. Nice and smooth along the edge. Don't want any leaks on this one. Wait, check the flow rate overlay right here.
Ah, yes. It aligns perfectly with the efficiency metrics. Make sure the alpha sensor array is locked in.
Confirmed. Wiring harness 7 secured. We are ready for pre-test sequence.
We have ignition! Full thrust! All parameters green. It's working.
Perfect. Right within the optimal range.
Pressure on that one. It's holding fine, keep going. We need to route this red line around the valve block.
Agreed. Watch the clearance on that return sensor.
Okay, the SYS 42 is secure. Moving to the blue connector now.
The rack is secure. Let's run the diagnostics check. Okay, checklist shows all modules are nominal.
We have perfect alignment across all sensors.
Optimal range confirmed. The actuator is calibrated.
Set to 250 Newton meters. Steady pressure now.
Reading confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Pressure is holding steady at the manifold. No fluctuations.
Green dye is clear through the starboard section. We are good to go.
Torque set to 20.
Confirmed. Wiring secure.
Align the zero mark precisely. Steady now. The calibration must be perfect before we seal the glass.
That is much better. No sticking at the apex.
Confirmed. The lubrication worked perfectly.
Now, keep it steady.
We're clear on the left side, approaching grid marker 7.
Watch the pressure, slow down slightly. Easy now, slower down, just a few more centimeters. Hold it right there, looks good.
All readings are nominal. We are perfectly aligned.
Copy that. Green status confirmed across the board.
That's a clean pass. Go gauge is good. Finger down 20 centimeters, slow and precise. Clear on my side, angle is good.
All circuits online, main power stabilizing.
Confirmed. Logging the sequence now.
Pressure is stable. Gauges read 52 psi, holding strong. No indication of leakage at the seams.
We've got a spike in pressure on the auxiliary line.
I see it, diverting power now. Keep monitoring the temperature.
We have the lock. Coordinates confirmed.
Accurate within the margin. Route is clear.
Red sequence confirmed.
Yellow's checking out on the main panel.
Green stable. System nominal.
Gauge pressure reads nominal. Check.
Removing safety interlock. Status green, system active.
That's looking consistent now. Let's move to the next section and maintain the overlap.
She's a beauty, look at her go!
Well done, team. Safe voyage. We have ignition. All parameters green.
Confirmed, Chief. Steady as she goes.
Another turn on the bow line, make it fast. Secured, sir. We made it. Excellent work, everyone. When we began this journey, the challenges seemed insurmountable. But the dedication of this team brought this piece of history back to life.
Perfectly aligned, these photographs capture the enduring legacy of the tanker, a seamless bridge between its bustling past and triumphant present.
Rudder command, 35 degrees port.
Confirmed. 35 degrees locked in.
Cable tension holding steady at 1,200 meters.
Adjusting hydraulic pressure, maintaining ascent rate.
Copy that. Depth gauge shows 900 meters and dropping fast.
Keep it steady, bring it up slow. All clear on level 4, keep hoisting.
The flow rate on injector 4 is still slightly low.
Let's adjust the pressure by 5% and rerun the sequence.
Airflow is stable and efficient.
Confirmed. 21 degrees Celsius and 50% humidity. Optimal performance validated.